Today we're going to talk about the Wedi shower system. It's a product made out of Germany. It is my go-to shower system when I'm building a shower or a tub surround. 100% waterproof. And you have things like concrete board, which you're going to have to put a water coating on. That's your okay system, but this is much superior. A concrete board system is rated to last maybe 5-10 years max. These are going to last decades. One of the nice things about it. To give you an idea of how this system works is you're going to buy these panels. They come in 3x5 sheets. This is one that I've cut out so that you can kind of see what it looks like. The blue that you see that's in the center here, that's a polystyrene, which is 100% waterproof. It's a closed cell type foam. They also use a concrete resin on the front and on the back with a fiberglass mesh, which makes it extremely durable. But you would think that would make it heavy. It is very light. Now the cool thing about this stuff is if I'm working and I drop a tool and I puncture the front, as long as it does not go all the way through, it is still 100% waterproof. Now if I happen to drop something and it goes all the way through like this, you'll use the Wedi sealant and seal back over it and you're 100% waterproof once again. Now, one of the things that makes this system a little different than Schluter and some of the others is the steps. It's very quick. All I'm going to do is put some sealant in between each panel, stick the panel up, and I will take my screw with a little washer, which are made by Wedi as well, and you're going to attach it at your studs. You'll go back and put a little bit of the sealant over those seams, and you're pretty much done. It's a very quick system, very lightweight. You don't have to breathe in any of the harmful silica and things that you'll breathe in through concrete board. It's just a great all-around system. So do yourself a favor and build your next shower system or your tub surround system out of the Wedi system.